boys and girls, I'm back and it's time for our science lesson. Today, during our science lesson, we're going to do 2 cut and paste activity sheets about the body parts of an insect. First, I'm going to read you this book, Bugs, 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 and I want to remind you about the parts of an insect. Okay, so right here, this says antenna. Insects have antennas, thorax, abdomen, head, and legs. How many legs does an insect have? If you said 6, you're right. They have 3 legs on one side, 3 legs on the other side. 3 plus 3 is 6. I'm going to read you this story. It's called Bugs, Bugs, Bugs by Mary Read. Bugs, Bugs, Bugs. It just shows lots of bug parts, but they're insects. Bugs, bugs, bugs. Those look like ants to me. Dragonflies. Wings, wings, wings. Some insects have wings, not all, but all of them have this. Legs, legs, legs. That looks scary when you get that close. I think that that's a grasshopper up close. Next page. Ooh, eyes, eyes, eyes. Look at those insect eyes. Incredible. Mouths, mouths, mouths. They need mouths to eat with, don't they? Bugs, bugs, bugs. Now all these bugs were insects. And what kind of insect are these? Ladybugs. That's right. So that's the end of the story of Bugs, Bugs, Bugs. It's a very quick story because I wanted to save time for our activity. You have 2 cut and paste sheets today to do. And in this activity, you are going to look at these words that tell you the parts of an insect. Head, abdomen, legs, thorax, and antenna. You will probably need your parents or another adult to help you do this, but you can look at this first word and figure out that that means head. You should have cut the bottom off. I colored my arrows in so that I could see to what part of the insect they were pointing. So the first one is head. Head. Right here, the arrow is pointing to the head. So I'm going to cut this off. Cut it. Glue stick. And glue it on. Now, for the rest of this sheet, you will need an adult to help you finish, to help you read it. When you're done, you can color this insect. There's a second sheet too, all about insects, but on this one, there's a big insect. It looks like an ant. I colored all of the arrows so I could see where it was pointing, and then it gives you words that go with the insect. So you're going to cut off one of the words and match it. I'm going to do one that's tricky. It starts with a T and an H. It's thorax. Thorax. Now we have a thoracic region, but we don't have a true thorax like an insect does. The thorax of an insect is right here in the middle. So you will take the word thorax and glue it right over where the thorax is. All right, boys and girls, well, good luck doing this. It might be a little tricky, but it'll give you and your parents something to talk about. Also, when you go out in your yard and you dig up bugs, it's going to help you identify what is a bug and what is a true insect. A true insect has 3 body parts: a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. It has 6 legs, 3 legs on both sides. It typically has an antenna and it can have wings. It also has a hard outer shell called an exoskeleton. So boys and girls, today's Friday, so we don't have school for 2 days. I'm looking forward to seeing you back next week, and have a great weekend. Miss Wall loves you. Bye-bye.